How to turn on or turn off HDR for video recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this 4 dot icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Camera Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced Video option. After click on Advanced Video option, you will see HDR is here. If you want to turn off HDR, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see HDR is turned off. If you want to turn on HDR, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see HDR is turned on. You will turn on or turn off HDR from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off HDR for video recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.